guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a DIY for you for Valentine's Day coming from the Dollar Tree. So let me show you what you'll need to make the project. You're going to need two 8x10 picture frames. It doesn't matter the color or the design, just as long as you get two of them. Then you're going to need some spray paint, and I'm using the Valspar Frosted Berry again, like I used on my candy jar. I think it's gorgeous for Valentine's Day. Then you're going to need two gift bags, and I'm using the two gift bags that I hauled the other day from Dollar Tree. I've already cut mine out, and these are the plain sides, but just to let you see what they look like. It's the one that said "Be Mine" and had the hearts, and I'll show you what they look like with the glitter. And like I said, I've already cut them out. You'll need some scissors and a pencil. It's that easy. So first what I did is I took my glass out of my picture frames and I spray painted it with that Frosted Berry, and I think they turned out gorgeous. And I've shown how to do this many times on my channel because, as you all know, I love to decorate the top of my refrigerator because I think it just looks sort of plain without something up there. So I've shown how to do this, but I'll show it real quick again just in case. I do have a lot of new subscribers and viewers. So what I do to get what I want is I just take the gift bag and I just, instead of trying to worry about, oh, what do I want in it and things like that, I just pop the glass out and I clean the glass really well. And then I just start centering it on my bag and seeing what I want in it and what I don't want in it. Then I just take a pencil, draw around that, and a pair of scissors and cut it out. It's that simple. Okay, but it really does give an adorable look. Okay, so I decided I wanted this much to be seen from this bag because I still wanted some color up here, but I wanted all this down here. So, like I said, you just pop this in. Then you just put this down in there. And then you just push your little backing on. And I actually left my paper just a little wider. And you can see how adorable that is. It's really cute, okay? And the same principle for this one. I cut it out the exact same way. I decided that I didn't really care if I had this row of hearts. I just wanted to make sure that I had an equal, this row is all like pink and white, and this has the gold. I just wanted to make sure I had it a nice variety is what I'm trying to say. Then you just put this down in there just like you did the other one. And you could even embellish these further if you wanted to. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It just depends. And then this is what you have. And I just really love how it looks for Valentine's. I think it just looks so festive and special. And let me move them up here so you can see them. And I'll come back and show you what they look like on top of my refrigerator. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you can see, they are so sweet up there on top of my refrigerator. I just want everything to be about hearts and bright and cheerful for Valentine's Day. But I think they turned out really well, and your possibilities are endless with what you can do. You can Google images and put them in these, which I've done before. I did that for fall. Or you can just keep with the gift bags, but I really do love them. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.